Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to DM someone on Twitter. Friends, if you want to direct message someone on Twitter, then you need to open X app. Now here you need to press on this message icon. Now here you will find all your chats. Now to send a message, press on this plus icon. Now you need to search for the person to whom you want to DM. Now type the message and press on this send button. Now friends, we have directly messaged to this person. So friends, like this you can very easily send DM to someone on Twitter. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.